Umar, do you know when ODI World Cup is?
Yeah, I know. It will start from October.
Do you know exact date?
Osman, I think it will start from 23rd of October
I'm very excited for it. Where it's happening?
in India.
What? Did you say in India? Oh, Umar, I can't wait. I wanna watch that World Cup.
I'm also excited. What do you think? Which team will win?
Of course, my team, Pakistan.
India is also looking in form.
Yeah, that's right. But Pakistan Zindabad. Are you supporting India?
No, my country is Pakistan, so I'm supporting Pakistani team.
No doubt, India team is looking in form this time, but our Pakistani team is also good.
Yeah, you're right. But I'm thinking, what's happening with Pakistani team?
What do you mean?
I mean, in Asia Cup they had qualified for finals, but they could not win the final, and they also could not win the T20 World Cup.
Don't worry, it's the part of the game. This time Pakistan will win, inshallah.
I hope so. Do you play cricket or just watch?
No, no, I play also.
Are you batsman or bowler?
I also can deliver a ball, but mostly I do batting. What do you like in cricket?
I also like batting.
Which is your favorite shot?
Hook shot. You are?
I'm the fan of Babar Azam, so cover drive.
That's good. Cricket trials were also conducted in previous month. Did you give?
No, nobody told me about that.
Do you wanna make your career in cricket?
Yeah,
Then I think you should search for that yourself.
yeah, you're right. Next time I will search. What about you? Will you not give the trials of cricket?
No, Osman. I wanna study.
Okay, as you wish. By the way, tomorrow I'm going to play match. So if you wanna join, then I can make you part of my team.
How?
I'm the captain of my team. I can do that.
Oh, really? That's nice. Yeah, of course. If you can do that, then I'm going to play with you.
Okay, so tomorrow be ready. The match will start at 7 a.m.
Where?
at Naz School Ground.
Okay. I will come.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.